Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are going to look at this question. It says evaluate x plus 3 all to the power of 2 equals to 3 to the power of 2. So we have this as solution to solve for the equation. So we are going to use two methods for us to see how we can arrive at the answer. So here we will say method 1, we have x plus 3 all to the power of 2 equals to 3 to the power of 2. This is in the form of when we have a plus b all to the power of 2, which is equals to a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. So we are going to express this in this format. This is our a and this is our b. So this will give us x to the power of 2 plus 2 times x times 3 plus 3 to the power of 2 equals to 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So here will become x to the power of 2 plus 2 times x times 3, we have 6x plus 3 to the power of 2 is 9 equals to 9. So in this case, what we are going to do is for us to transpose this to this other side. So this will become x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 9 minus 9 equals to 0. This will cancel this and we are now left with x to the power of 2 plus 6x. So in this case, we can see that we have x as common between these. So we can factor it out. So this will become, this is equals to 0. This will become x into, dividing x to the power of 2 by x will give us x. Dividing 6x by x will give us plus 6, all equals to 0. We have two products here, two parentheses here, where we have the first parenthesis must be equal to 0 or the second parenthesis equals to 0. So we say x equals to 0, or we have x plus 6 equals to 0. So the first one is x equals to 0. This is the first solution of x, which is x1 equals to 0. And also our x2 will be equal to x plus 6 equals to 0. Therefore, x2 will be equal to minus 6. So this is the value of x that we have. X equals to 0 and x equals to minus 6. So that is for method 1. So we have here method 2. So this we have given x plus 3 all to the power of 2 equals to 3 to the power of 2. So in this method, what we are going to do is for us to transpose this other side to the left hand side. So that will give us x plus 3 all to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 all equals to 0. We can say that this is in a form where we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. This is different of 2 squared, which will give us a plus b all into a minus b. So here we are going to express this in this format. This is our a and this is our b. So this will give us x plus 3. Then we have plus our b, which is 3. Then this is, we open another bracket, we have our a here, which is x plus 3. We have minus b, which is 3. So this all equals to 0. That is what we have. So this will give us x plus 3 plus 3. Then we have x plus 3 minus 3 all equals to 0. X plus 3 is 6. For the first parenthesis, we have x here plus 3 minus 3 with 0. So we have here x all equals to 0. So we have two parentheses here which are equals to 0. This either the first parenthesis equals to 0 or the second parenthesis equals to 0. So in this case, we set the first one, which is x plus 6 equals to 0, or we have x equals to 0. So this one, 6 will be transposed into this other side. We have x equals to minus 6, or we have x equals to 0. So here will be x1 and x2, so that it will be in the form of this first method. We have the same solution. X1 is 0 and x1 is 0, and our x2 is minus 6 and our x2 is minus 6. We can do a little check for us to confirm this solution of x, whether they will satisfy this expression. Before we do that, we need to clean this. So as we said that we are going to do a little check for us to see whether the value of x here will satisfy this expression. Our expression is in the form x plus 3 all to the power of 2 equals to 3 to the power of 2. Our 3 to the power of 2 equals to 9. So here we are going to substitute the first value of x, which is x equals to minus 6. So here our x is minus 6 plus 3 all to the power of 2 equals to 9. Will this equal to 9? Let's find out. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 all to the power of 2. Will this equal to 9? So minus 3 to the power of 2, we all know that this will turn to positive when we multiply by itself. So this is 9 equals to 9. What we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, x equals to minus 6 satisfy that expression. Let's look at x equals to 0. When we have this, our x equals to 0, where we have 0 plus 3 all to the power of 2, will this equal to 9? 0 plus 3 is 3. So 3 to the power of 2 equals to 9. So 9 equals to 9. What we have here is what we have here. Therefore, x equals to 0 satisfy this expression. And all our value of x also satisfy that expression. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.